You know, we're having winter here in Cape Town. I felt that, you know, we can do a nice review on some wiper blades. We've got a vehicle lab behind us over here, which we're about to change the wiper blades on. Now, my opinion on wiper blades is this, that it needs to be replaced every year. So you're always getting these for guys that are coming out with, you know, wiper blades that can last forever. Don't fall for that, because wiper blades needs to be replaced every year. Okay, because in South Africa we have the African sun, which is very harsh, and that rubber will not last more than one season. Okay, so when it comes to winter, just before winter, replace your wiper blades. Okay, I recommend the Bosch wiper blades because they are very good. I've been using it for many years. There are other well-known brands as well that work just as well, but in this video I will just be covering your Bosch wiper blades. Okay, so without further ado, let's see how good Bosch wiper blades are. You know, we got some Bosch wiper blades here. They call Bosch Eco. Okay, I've got a 21 inch, you know, on this particular vehicle, the Toyota Yaris. We have a long one on the driver's side, and we have a short one on the passenger side. Okay, let's get it out of the packaging. And just basically slide over, you break it up, break it open. You know, they give you sort of full instructions, you know, on how to fit the wiper blades and so on. But you know, me doing it for all these years, so you know, it's just pretty simple. But look on the back and it will give you sort of guidelines, you know, on how to replace these wiper blades quite simply. Okay, so I've got it out. You know, they basically just standard clip-ons. Alright, if you need to change the clips, it just basically simply clips out. Okay, I'll take it apart. You can see that little section there, and you can see that little bar across, which it clips on and off. And with any of the other clips, if you find that it doesn't fit onto your wiper arm, okay, you can use the other clips supplied. Okay, just basically click them in, and then now that'll fit onto a thinner arm. Okay, and the same with that one, you know, if the original one doesn't fit. All right, so basically the wiper blades are wiper blades. It has a rubber blade which basically cleans your windscreen. Okay, and you know what I like about the Bosch wiper blades is, you know, the quality that they've put into manufacturing these wiper blades. And even you know, with the good quality that you're getting, you're actually not paying that much for these wiper blades. Here in South Africa, we've paid for these two wiper blades, a 21 inch and a 16 inch. We paid under 100 rand, okay, South African rands, and that to me is pretty cheap. Okay, but with real great quality. What I like about the Bosch wiper blades is the finishing of the paint work over here. You know, it just gives you that solid feel. You know, it's not cheap. It's not like a cheap paint that they use. You know, it's like this paint feels like it's been baked, you know, onto this metal over here. And then of course the rubber. You know, you can pinch and squeeze the rubber. It doesn't break off. It's very flexible. Okay, so it's going to last at least a season. It can last more than one season, I am sure, but I would just use it for one season. Okay, so I'll show you how to fit these wiper blades in. Alright, so how to take this wiper blade off. Okay, here is a little clip at the back which we just depress and we push the wiper blade down. Let me show you that quickly. You will see that you know, that is round over there, and we have that half moon shape over there. We have a clip over here. Okay, and you will see here's an indent. Here's an indent here where my finger is. Okay, and that clip will basically clip into that indent. Okay, it has a section that clips in. So let's take you through it. Okay, make sure the half moon faces up. Push it in, and that indent you will see that indent has clipped in over there. Okay, so when you're pushing on the wiper blade, without pushing the clip down, the wiper blade should not want to come out. Okay, so I'm pushing on it now as hard as I can, and it's not coming out, because you don't want the wiper blade flying off once you've got it clipped in. Where my finger is. Alright, there's the clip there. We're going to depress that clip, and then we'll pull the wiper blade down, and you can see it detaches. Pull it away, and that is what the clip looks like. I'll actually take this clip off. It does clip off when you need to change the different clips. Okay, so you can see without the wiper blade, you'll actually have a better idea. Okay, so that is how the clip works. Okay, imagine the wiper blade being on it. You know, we'll push it up and let it clip into position over there. Alright, so with us depressing the release mechanism on the clip will slide off. Okay, now let me show you. We'll put the wiper blade on, okay, because there is a little rod inside, okay, and this clip basically clips on to the wiper blade itself. Hear the click, okay, and once that's clicked on, we'll turn it in and put it onto the wiper blade. Let it click in, let it snap on, and make sure that it is flexible. Okay, so that now we can just put the wiper blade down on the window and it can do its work. And let's go inside and see what the difference is compared to the older ones. Brand new Bosch Eco Wiper blades. Look at how clean, and there is no squeaking, no noise. And you know, with us testing this a little bit further, you'll find that the wipers actually do not lift off the windscreen while you're driving and the wind is blowing. Okay, so that'll give you a nice clear view in winter when it rains. So I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that we have actually taught you how to do this simple procedure, and don't forget, replace your wiper blades every season. Cheerio.